Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks so much for tuning in. For today's how-to video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your engine air filter on your brand new 2020 Ford Escape. Pretty much anything like SE, titanium, whatever you have. So you can do this yourself without spending money on repairs. So let's get started. Now the last thing to remember is, before you do those things by yourself, you just want to go on the website called Foulem.com. It's a website that they have those Foulem Extra Guard air filters, oil filters, fuel filters, PCV valves, transmission filters, all those type of stuff. So just make sure you find the correct part that fits, and then just type in the year, make, and model, and the engine. And it's really nice, but if you want to buy those Foulem filters, then just go online and then just order one. Like such places like Walmart, Amazon.com, Amazon.ca, or AutoZone.com. And it's pretty much it. So first get inside your car, and then just look for the hood latch right over here, which is under the driver's side, right under the steering column. Just pull the latch twice. Alright, so we're going to open the hood here. And so right over here on the engine compartment, you might want to find your engine air filter cover. And you want to find those clips over here. Just don't know if you can see that. I'll show you right now. Now inside the engine compartment, you want to find those two clips right over here that hold in this engine air filter cover into place. You can see those clips right over here. There's one over here and one right there. So we're going to do those two clips here. There's one, there's two, and after that's done, your engine air filter cover should slide right off. Just like that. And there's your brand new engine air filter. And then just take the old one out, and then just put the new one in. So let's take a look at the new one here. This air filter, it's not that bad actually. It's an oil filter, becomes pre-oiled. I believe this one's lifetime warranty, but not sure. But I like those air filters, they're really nice. Those ones look like the Foulem Extra Guard air filters, but this one's just a Ford Motor Company brand. So you just grab your brand new air filter and then just slide it right in that box here, air filter box there, and then just put the air filter cover back on. And see those two pegs here, they have to be aligned to fit properly. Over here. So after that's aligned, and then just put the clips back on. And there's one, there's two. Once that's done, and you're all set. And there you go, guys. That's how you change your engine air filter on your brand new 2020 Ford Escape, SE, titanium, whatever you have. Pretty much on any other trim levels. If this video is helpful, and if it was, remember to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. I have a lot of how-to videos coming up, such as how to change an air filter on a Ram 1500, which I'm going to do this year. So be sure to stay tuned next time. There's always a lot more where it came from. Take care.